Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the PC and Mixamp for communication, plug the unit into a USB port, and switch it to PC mode immediately. Install the Astro Command Center so the firmware and EQ options are available. This matters because firmware keeps latency low and controls routing. Once the software is installed, set Windows to use the Mixamp as the default playback and recording device, and make sure background audio apps are closed so the driver installs cleanly. You now dive into software configuration. Open Astro Command Center and apply any firmware updates first, because an outdated firmware causes odd audio routing or mute issues. Then load or create a profile and set game versus chat balance so you can hear teammates without drowning game audio. Adjust EQ and Dolby settings to your taste. These change clarity and perceived volume. Also verify sample rate. 48 kHz is standard for consoles and many PC games, so audio sync stays accurate. You finish by testing the full setup. Launch a game and a voice chat app, confirm game and chat volumes are separate, and tweak the mix until both are clear. Make sure mic monitoring is on if you want instant feedback. This prevents shouting and improves mic positioning. If audio drops, reconnect the Mixamp, try a different USB port, and reinstall drivers or command center. One key troubleshooting tip: power cycle the Mixamp after firmware updates. It often resolves routing glitches that linger after changes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.